Hello everyone and a very good morning to all of you and welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. So if I'm audible and visible, just write in the comments, yes sir, you're audible, so that we can start our session. So guys, as you all know, from Monday to Thursday, 11 a.m. in the morning, we come up with the Hindu analysis. Today is 14th March, आज 14 March है, and we are here with the Hindu analysis of 14th March. Okay, so today is Tuesday, 14th March, and these are the two important articles on the first page. So here it says, Chief Justice of India refers petition on same-sex marriage to Constitution bench. In fact, in yesterday's class, we had discussed in detail about this. Yes? कल की क्लास में हम लोगों ने, that is 13th March class, we had discussed in detail about it. So you should be knowing it. Then ये काफी famous हुआ है. This actually became very famous. Natu Natu and the Elephant Whisperer brings home 2 Oscar awards. And I have made a separate video on Oscar awards. You can watch that as well, right? और एक और है Nobel Prize winner Kenzaburo Oe dies. So just have an idea about that. So let's start with this one. इसको शुरू करते हैं. So Chief Justice of India refers petition on same-sex marriage to Constitution bench. Now there's a question for you. How many judges should at least be there in the Constitution bench according to Article 145? Your options are 3, 5, 7, 2. Your time starts now. कम से कम मिनिमम कितने जजेस होना चाहिए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेंच में 145 आर्टिकल के हिसाब से? Yes, what is the right answer, guys? So I hope you are aware, it's a very famous line. Actually, Article 145 Clause 3 talks about constitution bench, which should have at least 5 judges there. So B is the right answer to this question. The minimum number of judges who are to sit for the purpose of deciding any case involving a substantial question of law as to interpretation of constitution shall be 5. Minimum number of judges shall be 5. यानी minimum 5 होना चाहिए. Yes, अनीशा कुमारी is right. हाँ. Yes, प्रिया चवन, राज नंदी, अगर आप 2 लिख रहे हो, मतलब ऑप्शन 2 लिख रहे हो, तब ये सही है. हाँ. अदरवाइज अगर आप 2 जजेस बोल रहे हो, तब गलत है. So B is the right answer. Yes. हाँ, अमूल्य राज, you all are right. राज नंदनी, प्रिया चवन, you all are right. हाँ. So minimum 5 judges की bench होना चाहिए. Now in yesterday's class we had discussed it. So please go and watch yesterday's class. Just search on YouTube. BYJU'S CLAT 13th March, the Hindu analysis. इसमें हम लोग ने फर्स्ट सेक्शन में, इनिशियल सेक्शन में I had discussed about the same topic, है ना? That Special Marriage Act 1954, the petition was filed that same-sex marriage should be recognized under Special Marriage Act. एक आ गया था ना? Special Marriage Act 1954 के अंदर recognize किया जाना चाहिए. Yes? हाँ. So that is why the Supreme Court heard the government's opinion as well, and the government was not actually willing to approve this because the government cited the age-old customs, religious traditions and all, social ethos. तो केंद्र सरकार ने कहा कि नहीं, ये ठीक नहीं है, हम लोग इसको नहीं मानते, इसलिए कि सोशल इथोस या कस्टम्स ट्रेडिशन इसको अप्रूव नहीं करता है समाज में. तो कोर्स लिस्ट फॉर द फाइनल हियरिंग एंड ऑल्सो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने 5 जज बेंच में हियरिंग के लिए ये मामला भेज दिया. ठीक है, सो जस्ट हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट दैट. ओके, yes, on the first page there was an article, Natu Natu, the Elephant Whisperer brings home 2 Oscars. I hope you all are aware. I have made a separate video on it. So just go to YouTube and search BYJU'S CLAT Oscar 2023. बस इतना सर्च करोगे, you will get this video. 95th Academy Awards. So officially Oscar Awards are called as Academy Awards. So please go and read about it. Now, 2-3 चीज पता होना चाहिए आपको. एक नातू नातू has won in original song. In the category of original song, the Elephant Whisperer has won in the Best Documentary Short Film Award. So I have discussed these things here. मैंने यहाँ discuss कराया है. ठीक है. Now after the class is over, write how many nominations went in Oscar. So there are 3 nominations went. ठीक है. 3 गया था, जिसमें से 2 have won it. ठीक है. Okay. So these are the 2 who won it. So 3 nominations from India's side. From India's side. ठीक है. जिसमें से 2 out of which 2 actually won it. So Natu Natu and the Elephant Whisperer won it. 1 actually could not win it. And what is that one? वो कौन सा है जो नहीं जीत पाया? उसका भी नाम अगर आपको पता है तो write it in the comment. Okay? Yes. So the composer of song Natu Natu, which is very much in the news, was awarded in January with an award. Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Shri, Bharat Ratna. Your time starts now. ये मैंने discuss करा है. If you have watched my Oscar session, then you must be knowing about that. So इसके जो म्यूजिक कंपोजर मिस्टर M. कीरावानी, he was in January awarded a very famous award. What is the right answer? So the right answer is actually Padma Shri is the right answer. Okay. So C is the right answer or 3 is the right answer to this question. MM Kiravani to receive Padma Shri pays respect to parents and mentor. So this is the 4th highest civilian award in India. Na? 4th highest civilian award. Yes, C is the right answer to this question. दूसरी बात यह है कि गोल्डन ग्लोब्स अवार्ड भी जीता था नातू नातू. आई हैव डिस्कस्ड इट इन द एक्चुअली ऑस्कर अवार्ड सेशन. ठीक है, उसको ही पढ़ लीजिएगा. यस, सी इज द राइट आंसर. यस, प्रिया चौहान इज राइट. राज रोनियार इज राइट. हाँ, सी इज द राइट आंसर. आनंद मिश्रा इज ऑल्सो राइट. ठीक है, जस्ट हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट इट. Okay, so Natu Natu won it, which is actually a song from the film RRR. And that is Oscar award is also called as Academy Awards. Yes, and so India has for the first time made 2 India-made production have won actually Oscars. So important cheez. And Deepika Padukone was also present there to introduce the song Natu Natu. ठीक है, so just have an idea about that. इसको पढ़ लीजिएगा जाके. And I have told you कि there were 3 nominations, 2 won it, 2 जीत गए, 1 नहीं जीत पाया. So what is that one which could not win? कौन सा नहीं जीत पाया, उसका भी नाम आपको पता होना चाहिए. Go and find out. ठीक है, after the class is over, write it in the comment. नीचे जो comment section उसमें लिखिए. Now let's move on. SEBI probing market allegations on Adani Group. Finance Ministry tells Lok Sabha. So there are some market allegations against Adani Group, and according to the Finance Ministry, SEBI is probing it. मैंने आपको कई बार SEBI के बारे में बताया, Securities and Exchange Board of India ना. So वो जांच कर रहा है अदानी ग्रुप का मार्केट एलिगेशन कुछ जो लगे हैं उसके अगेंस्ट. ठीक है, सो फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री ने, वित्त मंत्रालय ने लोकसभा में कहा. So now there's a question for you regarding SEBI. What is incorrect about SEBI? Your options are: it is a statutory body. Arundhati Bhattacharya is the first woman chairperson of SEBI. It is headquartered in Mumbai. All of the above is correct. So your time starts now. देखो ये लिखा है, which of the following is incorrect? What is incorrect about SEBI? क्या गलत है इसमें? 4 ऑप्शंस. सबको लाइक बटन प्रेस करते जाओ. एवरीवन प्लीज प्रेस द लाइक बटन, शेयर दिस वीडियो, एंड नीचे सब्सक्राइब का बटन उसको भी दबा देना. ठीक है. यस, व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? व्हाट इज इनकरेक्ट अबाउट सेबी? सो इट इज अ स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी? यस, इट इज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ सेबी एक्ट 1992, है ना. सो दिस इज करेक्ट. यस, प्रिया चौहान, बीसू रोहा, अनीशा कुमारी राइट. अरुंधति भट्टाचार्य नहीं, इट इज मधाबी पुरी बूच इज द फर्स्ट वुमेन चेयरपर्सन. मधाबी Puri Booch is the first woman chairperson of SEBI. It is headquartered in Mumbai. That is correct. So since I was asking incorrect, so 2 will be the right answer. Yes. Okay. Kirti Vardhan Singh Rathore, I'm very happy. Good luck for the future. That I'm very happy that you have been selected and my videos helped you. So I'm very happy for that. Yes. Zoya Khan, Amulya, you all are right. Yes. Madhabi Puri Booch is the first woman chairperson of SEBI. It is a statutory body, regulatory body, दोनों होगा. ठीक है रश्मिकांत? हाँ, both are correct. तो ये statement सही है. This is not correct. I hope you are aware. Madhabi Puri Booch appointed first woman chairperson of SEBI. So that is 28th February news. So just have an idea about it. So B is the incorrect statement. गलत पूछा जा रहा है, किसमें से गलत कौन सा है? So this is the wrong one. Okay, before moving on, guys, we are running a CLAT 2024 comprehensive course. The exam is in December, so hardly is 8-9 months is left. You must go for this course. 300 plus recorded videos, 300 plus hours of live session, 35 plus mock tests, etc. would be provided. Monthly e-magazines be provide kiya jayega. Curated based extensive analysis of last 5 years CLAT paper would be there. If you have query, call on this number 95388956788 पे. You will get to know more about it. है ना? इस पे कॉल कर लीजिएगा. Okay, let's talk about editorials. तो ये दोनों 3-4 editorial है. Let's talk about this one. A chance for India to shape a data governance regime. ठीक है. So basically data governance related. I hope you are aware. I mean, it's a very famous quote nowadays. Data is the new oil. तो डेटा जो है ना आज के जमाने में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल अदा करता है ना. So it has a huge role in it. Anisha Kumari, my class happens from Monday to Thursday at 11 a.m. This is the session. ठीक है. Okay, now, so in recent years, India has made great strides in its digital strategies and data governance. India has embraced technology and digitalization to drive economic growth, etc. हाँ, तो recent years में India ने digitalization काफी किया. Yes, I hope you are aware. So many things has become digital, है ना? So which helps actually provide good quality of service delivery, right? So if you want to book the ticket, if you want to pay, you can do through UPI and all. तो बहुत सारी चीजें बहुत आसान हो गई with the help of digitization. India's G20 presidency has provided an opportunity for the country to showcase its advancement in the digital arena, particularly with regard to data infrastructure and data governance. Yes, I hope you are aware India is G20 presidency, is having the presidency of G20. Yes. So India will be getting an opportunity to advance its digital arena. Yani India ko bahut sare, let's say the G20 summit happen, a lot of other countries, head of the state come. So we can have actually improved relations, improved trade, more and more digital transactions, more and more actually import of technology, digital technology would be done with the help of more and more interaction with the rest of the world, developed nations. As the world becomes increasingly digital, G20 has recognized the need for international cooperation. Yes, of course, the more the international cooperation is, the more it is good. So if we are having more international cooperation with other nations, we'll be bringing more good quality, high quality technology, the digital technology from rest of the world and all. Okay, yes, sir. अच्छा, paid class कब है अनिशा कुमार? This will happen, do not bother. ठीक है, all those things are actually scheduled. So yes, so significant progress has been made in the use of digital technology to provide access to bank accounts and the promotion of digital UPI and all. हाँ, फिर UPI में काफी significant improvement किया गया. UPI means like phone pay, है ना, भारत पे and like Bhim app. एक है UPI transaction ही तो है. So nowadays actually in the last 4-5 years, I mean UPI transaction has been improved and all, है ना, तो आप पे कर सकते हो ऑनलाइन, अब ऑनलाइन जमाना है, so you are not supposed to gather having more cash in your pocket. With the help of UPI you can do a lot of things, है ना. The launch of India's DEPA, ये important है, Data Empowerment Protection Architecture. A consent-based management tool has both generated excitement as well as concern. तो ठीक है, एक्साइटमेंट भी है और कंसर्न भी है. डेपा क्या होता है? देखो इस तरह कुछ है, समथिंग यू कैन सी इट हियर. सो आई हैव टेकन फ्रॉम देयर ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट कि जैसे अगर आपको इंफॉर्मेशन है तो आपसे आपके कंसेंट से आपका इंफॉर्मेशन लिया जाएगा. सो देयर वुड बी अ कंसेंट मैनेजर. कंसेंट मींस परमिशन लेना, है ना. कंसेंट मतलब क्या होता है? टेक परमिशन. सो विदाउट योर परमिशन योर डेटा विल नॉट बी शेयर्ड, बट यस दिस इज हाउ द आइडिया इज. ठीक है, जैसे कोई अगर मशीन है, so this request for the data, it goes to the consent manager. It will ask user मतलब you, आपको user कहा जा रहा है. So you will allow it. जैसे होता है ना, आपसे पूछा जाता है कि when you download an app, they ask a consent, your actually permission, है ना. Then after once you give the consent or permission, then only the data will be shared to the banks, है ना, insurance providers, tax, GST platform. This is how actually DEPA works. तो एक बेसिक आइडिया है. लेट्स सी, इवन आई डोंट हैव मच इन डिटेल आइडिया, बट दिस इज हाउ एक्चुअली दिस वुड बी वर्किंग. डेपा वुड बी वर्किंग, डाटा एम्पावरमेंट एंड प्रोटेक्टिव आर्किटेक्चर. ठीक है, तो उसमें ये बता रहे कि एक्साइटमेंट भी है और कंसर्न भी है. सो कंसर्न, द मेन कंसर्न इज प्राइवेसी इश्यूज. हाँ, एक्साइटमेंट ये है कि हो सकता है इंप्रूवमेंट हो जाए, फास्टर एक्चुअली सर्विसेज डिलीवरी हो जाए, हो सकता है सर्विस डिलीवरी फास्टर हो जाए ना. दैट माइट बी द गुड थिंग. प्राइवेसी इश्यूज इज देयर कि whether our whatever we are sharing, whether this would be, I mean हाँ लिखा है देखो, security and privacy issues and all is there. ठीक है. In order to realize the potential benefits of DEPA and minimize the risk, it is important that the tool is implemented in a transparent, consistent and secure manner. So that is what the author is talking about. So he is basically focusing on the privacy issues and all, that if I mean our data should be actually, or the DEPA should be implemented in transparent and consistent manner. Transparent means everyone should be knowing it. It should be open. There should not be secrecy. No secrecy. है ना, पब्लिक में पता होना चाहिए कैसे कैसे ये चीजें वर्क करती हैं. So that is how the author is talking about. The use of digital technology can enhance access to healthcare services in rural and I mean remote areas and all. Yes. So digital technology is very beneficial even in health sector also. Yes. कैसे? Health sector में कैसे? I mean, especially in rural remote areas में digital technology की वजह से nowadays a lot of devices are there to check your pulses, to check your I mean body parameters कि आपका heart beat ठीक चल रहा है कि नहीं, other things are working fine or not. And then entire data repository can be created जिसमें आपका सारा data हो, ठीक है, कि आपका blood कैसे चल रहा है, आपका heart beat कैसा है, आपका sugar level कैसा है. So all those things can be actually recorded somewhere, है ना. तो digital technology would be very beneficial there. जैसे एक आयुष्मान भारत डिजिटल हेल्थ मिशन है, इसको पढ़िएगा, ठीक है, डिजिटल. सो डिजिटल हेल्थ आईडी वुड बी प्रोवाइडेड. आई हैव टॉट दिस इन पेड क्लासेस. ठीक है, डिजिटल हेल्थ आईडी, दोज हु आर माय पेड बैच स्टूडेंट मस्ट बी अवेयर ऑफ दैट. ठीक है, डिजिटल हेल्थ आईडी वुड बी क्रिएटेड. तो ये सब चीजें जो है ना, आपको हेल्थ सर्विसेज इंप्रूव करने में बहुत फायदा होगा. So it will help. The digital technology helps in improvement of healthcare services. But again, the issue of security and privacy is there. ताकि डेटा लीक नहीं हो जाए. ठीक है, in the health sector there is a risk of sensitive medical information which could be misused for commercial purpose. जैसे for example if the health data is leaked to actually insurance company, अगर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को पता चल गया कि कौन कौन बीमार है, कौन कौन का क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है, सो द हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी वुड नॉट प्रोवाइड इंश्योरेंस टू दोज पीपल, फिर उनको इंश्योरेंस नहीं देगी नहीं, तो इसीलिए हेल्थ डेटा लीक नहीं करना चाहिए. यस, दैट शुड बी इंश्योर्ड कि if someone is having a problem, let's say any health issues, it should not be revealed to the public, है ना. In fact, this is one of the ethics, medical ethics. It is a part of medical ethics. Hippocratic oath लिया जाता है ना डॉक्टर्स के द्वारा, that they are not supposed to reveal the personal or private information regarding someone's biological health to anyone else or any company. किसी को लीक नहीं करना चाहिए किसी का medical issues and all. Yes, of course. The next instance we are talking about right to privacy. You should be knowing it. Right to privacy is a fundamental right under Article 14, fundamental right under Article 21, legal right or constitutional right under Article 300 A. 300 capital A. Your time starts now. बताइए right to privacy क्या है? सबको लाइक बटन प्रेस करते जाओ. एवरीवन प्लीज प्रेस द लाइक बटन, शेयर दिस वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. राइट टू प्राइवेसी, दिस इज अ जजमेंट ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट, पुट्टा स्वामी केस है ना, 2017. ओके, यस, व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? यस, बीसी रॉय, राज रोनियार, वेरी गुड. प्रिया चवन, अमूल्य राज, जोया खान, यू ऑल आर राइट. So right to privacy is a fundamental right under Article 21. This was, I mean, I have taught in detail in the paid classes. What do you mean by Article 21? How the meaning has been expanded and all. ये सब मैंने पढ़ाया है पूरा डिटेल में, है ना. So B is the right answer. Yes. राजनंदनी, नीलम पांडे, अनीशा कुमारी, all are right. हाँ. So right to privacy is a fundamental right under Article 21. और ये जो option 4 है, ये पता है क्या? Can anyone tell me what is this? Option 4 is right to property. ये भी मैंने पढ़ाया है ना. That earlier it was a fundamental right, later on made constitutional right after 44th amendment and all. ये सब मैंने पढ़ाया है, ठीक है. So yes, yes, Zoya Khan, right, very good. So another issue is that of ownership and governance of data generated and collected in health and agriculture. What are the rights of data providers and what are the responsibilities and all, ठीक है. अब देखो डेटा सोवरेंटी और डेटा ओनरशिप की बात हो रही है, इसको आप समझना है, बेसिक चीज समझना. देखो, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द टर्म सॉवरेनिटी? सॉवरेनिटी क्या होता है? Sovereignty means actually this lies with the government of that country to decide the internal and external matter of any country, है ना. जैसे India is a sovereign country. India became sovereign country after 15th August 1947. क्या मतलब हुआ? Before 15th August 1947, it was the British who used to take all the decisions about us, all the foreign policy, internal policy, etc. But once we got independence, the entire power is with the government of India, है ना. अपनी सरकार के पास अब पावर है कि अपने बारे में डिसाइड करें ना. व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड डेटा सॉवरेनिटी? अब इसको समझना है. देखो, इफ यू सी इट केयरफुली, लेट्स से हियर इज इंडिया. मान लो फॉर एग्जांपल आवर डेटा, सो आवर इंडियन पीपल डेटा इज स्टोर्ड इन यूएसए. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एग्जांपल. लेट्स से यू हैव स्टोर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इन फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप, एटसेट्रा. अब क्या हो जाएगा अगर यूएस में डेटा स्टोर्ड है? सो दिस इज अगेंस्ट द आइडिया ऑफ डेटा सॉवरेनिटी. All our data needs to be stored in our own country. बाहर नहीं, इसको कहते हैं डाटा, है ना. डाटा लोकलाइजेशन, these are the words now being used, है ना. डाटा लोकलाइजेशन. Ensure that all our Indian citizens or Indian people's data should be stored in our country, not in someone else's country. Because if it is stored in other country, then it is violation of data sovereignty. They can play, they can use, or any other country may misuse those data against us. है ना. डेटा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती है ना. अगर सबका प्राइवेट इंफॉर्मेशन किसी और कंट्री के पास है, सो इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. हाँ, इज इट क्लियर? हाँ, यस, वेरी गुड अमूल्य राज, गुड. हाँ, स्वयं प्रभु, हाँ, ठीक. सो दैट इज व्हाट द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डेटा सॉवरेनिटी. अब ये सब टर्म चल रहा है, refers to the principle that a country has the right to control collection, storage and use of data within its border and also to the informational self-determination citizen of over their data. तो ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, डाटा सॉवरेनिटी या डाटा लोकलाइजेशन, to ensure that all our data should be with our own country within it and not to be stored outside the nation. ठीक है. Otherwise, of course, that would not be actually considered as very good अगर दूसरे कंट्री में डेटा स्टोर्ड है. So that is the idea of data sovereignty the author is talking about. The next is a fragile momentum. Fragile मतलब क्या होता है? वीक, कमजोर, है ना. कमजोर, ठीक है. Now, so fragile momentum, actually this is talking about the result of index of industrial production. So IIP actually measures the performance of industry. Okay. So every we come regularly, we come up with this IIP index regularly. Now there's a question for you. Itna percentage nahi yaad rakhna hai, because this keeps on changing. Maybe after 3 months there will be another report, and report would be something different. You are not supposed to remember the percentage, but basic idea, like for example, index of industrial production is released by which organization? So Ministry of Heavy Industries, National Statistical Office, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Your time starts now. Bataiye. Index of industrial production is released by which organization? देखो एक organization है, in fact those who are my paid batch student, I have taught कि GDP numbers are released by NSO. मैंने पढ़ाया है paid class में. Yes, so the same NSO actually comes up with IIP index also, and NSO comes under MOSP, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. ठीक है? Yes, B is the right answer. BC Roy, Priya Chavan, Zoya Khan, you all are right. So देखो यही है report जो कि 10th March को आई. Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, National Statistical Office, है ना? And this is the base year. Base year is 2011-12. Quick estimates of index of industrial production and use based index for the month of January. कि जनवरी में कैसा परफॉर्म किया? That is what is being talked about here, है ना? इसी की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे ना? That the January is a good new year, tiding for a metric that had been 2 months, etc. and all. इसको हर को पढ़ना नहीं है, देखो क्यों? हर महीने का आएगा. So every month there will be a report. कि what is the rise, what is the whether it's a rise or a decline. तो अब हर महीने का पढ़ोगे तो परेशान हो जाओगे ना, हर महीने का अलग अलग परसेंटेज रहेगा. But just have an idea because IIP comes in the news. ठीक है? So that is why you should have a basic idea about it. And there's another question. Actually, there are 3 important parameters while calculating IIP. So what are those 3 important parameters you are supposed to answer? The first is mining, manufacturing, petroleum, mining, manufacturing, electricity, manufacturing, service, agriculture, or manufacturing, service, petroleum. Your time starts now. चलो बताओ, सबको लाइक बटन प्रेस करते जाओ. एवरीवन, वी आर सीइंग 15 लाइक्स, 21 इज वाचिंग. सो 3 ब्रॉड सेक्टर्स या 3 ब्रॉड पैरामीटर्स जिसको लिया जाता है आईआईपी के परफॉर्मेंस चेक करने के लिए या आईआईपी निकालने के लिए. सो एक्चुअली इट इज माइनिंग, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सो बी इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. देखो ये उसी से निकाला, उसी ड्राफ्ट से, माइनिंग, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, और टोटल लिखा है ना जनरल. सो एमएमई करके याद रखना. दीज आर द 3 actually broad sectors which are taken into account while calculating the IIP, है ना? So B is the right answer. Yes, Amol, Raj, Zoya Khan, Teju, Tejaswani, you all are right. Okay, yes. The next is as a resilient India but growth pangs for China. ठीक है, तो इसमें भी देखो वो बता ये रहे कि चाइना की ग्रोथ कैसे हो रही है, उसका परफॉर्मेंस क्या था, पैटर्न, इतना डिटेल नहीं जाना है, बट सम बेसिक जीके क्वेश्चंस इज मेंशन्ड हियर, उसको बस जान लेते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, recently a Chinese premier Li Keqiang has stepped down. ये important question है. देखो, like we have 2 things in China. President, who is the president of China? Xi Jinping, है ना? Xi Jinping, and he has in fact got the 3rd term. And who is the premier? So there is no concept of prime minister. They use the word premier. So premier was Li Keqiang. ठीक है? And he has actually stepped down. मतलब अब we are having a new premier in China. ठीक है? So that is how they are saying कि how actually the China is performing after lockdown etc. and all. तो उतना डिटेल नहीं जाना है, but yes ये important चीज है कि नया चाइना का premier हुआ है. ठीक है? So he was actually, he देखो, you can say on 11th March 2023 he left the post. 2-3 days back. So now we are having a new premier of China, and this is the question that you are supposed to answer. Who is the new premier of China? Your options are Li Qiang, Li Keqiang, Liu Kun, और King Gang. Your time starts now. बताइए. हाँ, Xi Jinping has got the 3rd term. Yes, Zoya Khan, right? हाँ. New premier of China कौन है? So देखो, he is the outgoing one. He left it, the post. The new one is Li Qiang. So देखो ये Li Keqiang ही है और Li Qiang ही. So the new premier. ठीक है? So A is the right answer. Yes, BC Roy, very good. हाँ. And King Gang is the new foreign minister. He's the foreign minister of China. Because foreign minister would be coming in the news again and again. Yes. So here the right answer is E. Zoya Khan, Raj Nandani, Amulya Raj, you all are right. So he is, देखो आप देख सकते हैं 11th March को he took the charge of the new 8th premier of People's Republic of China. ठीक है? Yes. Neelam Pandey. Rashmikant Oja, you are right. It is clear that Mr. Lee has been cautious about the growth target this year. तो जो नए वाले हैं, so the new है ना, the new premier है ना, Lee Kyang is mentioned here. So that is what you should be knowing it. Otherwise ये article उतना भी ज़्यादा important नहीं है, you can skip it. The next one is Oscars. We have already discussed. The Oscar award is famously called as Academy Awards. This is the official word, है ना? Academy Awards we call it as, है ना? And this year it was the 95th Academy Awards, where the Elephant Whisperer got the Best Documentary Short Film Award, and the song Natu Natu from RRR won the Best actually Original Song Award, and the composer of that song is Mr. M.M. Keeravani, है ना? So these are being discussed. अब मैंने बताए थे कि there are 3 nominations which went and 2 won it. So these were the 3: Natu Natu, All That Breathes, and the Elephant Whisperer. और ये दोनों जो है वो ऑस्कर जीत गए. So these 2 won the Oscar, and All That Breathes could not win it. तो हो सकता है ये भी पूछ सकते हैं कि which of the following Oscar awards, I mean Oscar nomination from India could not win the Oscar award. So the answer is All That Breathes. ठीक है, बेस्ट डॉक्यूमेंट्री फीचर के लिए था और ये बेस्ट डॉक्यूमेंट्री शॉर्ट फिल्म के लिए था. ठीक है, सो ये तो जीत गया, और ये ओरिजिनल सॉन्ग के लिए था, आपको पता होगा. सो दिस एंड दिस हैज वन इट, बट ऑल दैट ब्रीथ्स फॉर बेस्ट डॉक्यूमेंट्री फीचर कुड नॉट विन इट. तो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वंस. ओके, यस. तो इसी के बारे में बात हो रही है. नाउ दे टॉकिंग अबाउट द अस्लम डॉग मिलियनेयर. एक जमाने में बहुत फेमस फिल्म आई थी ना. सो वी आर एक्चुअली टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेम की बेस्ट ओरिजिनल सॉन्ग एंड स्कोर फॉर म्यूजिक कंपोजर ए आर रहमान at that time won it, है ना. गुलजार जय हो. तो पुरानी याद है कि in earlier times who won the Oscars and all. So just go and read it कि पहले किसने जीता था इससे पहले. हाँ, so go and watch it, है ना. BYJU'S CLAT Oscars 2023. Just search on YouTube and you will get this video. 95th Academy Awards. ठीक है. Okay, yes. Best film award, Everything Everywhere All at Once, इसको मिला है, and it has won I think many awards, perhaps 6 awards. 11 nomination गया था, 7 awards. हाँ, total 7 awards it has won. ये भी जानना Everything Everywhere All at Once के बारे में. I have discussed it in detail. Anisha Kumari, you can watch the 13th March the Hindu analysis. It is available on YouTube. हाँ, yes, the video is available. आप just search करो जाके 13th March CLAT the Hindu analysis. इतना सर्च करना BYJU'S, और यू कैन सर्च बाय माय नेम, यू विल गेट इट. ठीक है, ये हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर जाओ, इस पर जाओ चैनल पर, एंड यू विल गेट इट. ठीक है, और ये भी देख लेना, ये अलग से मैंने सेपरेट क्लास लिया था. ये द हिंदू एनालिसिस के सेपरेट क्लास था. दिस इज सेपरेट क्लास फ्रॉम द हिंदू एनालिसिस. ठीक है, अबाउट ऑस्कर, ये जरूर देख लेना. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. स्टार लगा ले उसको. ओके, यस, अ रियलिटी चेक फॉर फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज. This is an opinion page number 7 में आया था. देखो, there are proposals that foreign universities would be coming to India. तो उसमें बहुत सारे फायदे हैं, नुकसान है. A lot of benefits are there, a lot of adverse issues are there. And while some have rejected government's initiative to set up foreign universities, some are actually happy. तो वो एक predatory practice, मतलब कुछ लोग ये बता रहे हैं कि if the foreign universities will come to India, it might the local university or the Indian university might be destroyed. कुछ लोग ये कह रहे हैं कि हो सकता है इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटी खराब हो जाए, बर्बाद हो जाए, फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी आएगी, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो. हो सकता है वो भी रहे, ये भी रहे. सेकंड थिंग इज कि यस, फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी वुड बी कमिंग, इट वुड बी अट्रैक्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ हाई क्वालिटी एजुकेशन. तो वहां की बहुत सारी अच्छी चीजें लेकर के आएगा. सो इट माइट बी अडॉप्टेड इन आवर ओन कंट्री आल्सो इफ वी फाइंड एनीथिंग गुड, है ना. सो दीस आर द थिंग्स. फिर इसमें और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, जैसे इफ दे विल कम टू इंडिया तो वी विल बी पेइंग इन डॉलर्स. तो हमारे यहाँ से रेमिटेंस वापस चला जाएगा. We will be paying a lot of money to the foreign nations. Maybe the foreign exchange reserve would go down. ये भी हो सकता है, मतलब हो सकता है, बताया जा रहा है. It's a lot of reasons and calculating and all. Then another thing is, और क्या क्या हो सकता है आप सोचो. Fees and cost. Yes. So if the foreign university would be coming to India, they will be charging very heavy amount. उनकी फीस बहुत ज्यादा होगी. So those who are rich enough, they can afford the fees. They will send their parents to the foreign country. They will send their children to the foreign countries. अगर फीस बहुत ज्यादा होगी, अगर अमीर लोग अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं तो वो यहाँ क्यों रखेंगे. हो सकता है बाहर भेज दें अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए, है ना. They must bring in foreign faculty, invest significant capital and all. बहुत सारी चीजें, ठीक है, उसकी बहुत सारे issues हैं. So the lot of private universities in India working well. Shiv Nadar University, Azim Premji University, है ना, which are philanthropic backed institution and all. तो that is what is being talked about, है ना. इसी सब चीज हम इसमें बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल नहीं जाना. ठीक है, नो नीड टू गो इन डिटेल, जस्ट हैव एन आइडिया. एक और है WPL, दैट इज वुमेन्स प्रीमियर लीग, इज हैपनिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन इंडिया, है ना. So who is the title sponsor? This is the question. Who is the title sponsor of Women's Premier League? Your options are Tata, Adani Group, DHL, Maruti Suzuki. Your time starts now. बताइए. Title sponsor Women's Premier League पहली बार हो रहा है. And which cricketer has got the highest bid? सबसे ज्यादा highest bid कौन सी क्रिकेटर को मिला है? Yes, Anisha Kumari, Bisu Roy, you all are right. The right answer is option 1 or A. Tata Group is the right answer, है ना? Women's Premier League, Tata backs title rights for Women's Premier League 2023. So A is the right answer. Yes, Bisu Roy, Raj Roniar, Amulya, Priya Chavan, Pratham, Zoya, Rashmi Kant, है ना? बहुत सारे लोग आंसर किया. I cannot take everyone's name, है ना? So just have an idea about that. ठीक है. So highest bid किसको मिला है? स्मृति मंदना, है ना? Yes, Amulya Raj, Bisu Roy, very good. स्मृति मंदना. I think 3.4 or something करोड़. चेक कर लेना. 3.2 या 3.4 करोड़ के अराउंड है. Okay, yes. अब देखो मैंने कल yesterday I had discussed about it. Understanding the Saudi-Iran detente. ठीक है, ये सब वर्ड होता है entente. This is the word used in French. Detente. Detente इसका मतलब होता है reducing conflict, है ना? So improving relationship. So these are the actually languages used in the Hindu newspaper. एक और वर्ड यूज किया जाता है entente, ऐसे लिखा जाता है. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ फ्रेंच वर्ड. मतलब इसका ही मतलब होता है गुड, हैविंग गुड रिलेशनशिप, है ना? detente मतलब रिलेशनशिप खराब था उसको इंप्रूव करना. ठीक है, दैट इज detente. हाँ, यस. यस, हाँ. सो नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस. तो इसमें क्या है, इसको पढ़ लेना. एंड हु हैज ब्रोकर्ड द डील? सो चाइना हैज ब्रोकर्ड द डील, है ना? मतलब चाइना वाज इंस्ट्रूमेंटल इन हैविंग द इंप्रूविंग द रिलेशनशिप. अब देखो इसमें क्या है, इसमें बहुत सारे रीजंस है ना? सो आई हैड डिस्कस्ड एट द चाइना वांट्स टू इंपोर्ट मोर एंड मोर ऑयल्स. वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट इंपोर्टर ऑफ ऑयल है, इसलिए चाइना वांट्स स्टेबिलिटी इन दिस रीजन. सेकंड थिंग इज इन रिसेंट ईयर्स एक्चुअली यमन में फाइट हो रहा था, बिकॉज आई मीन यमन वाज अ बैटल ग्राउंड फॉर द फाइट बिटवीन सऊदी अरब एंड ईरान. So there is a concept of Houthi rebels there. Yemen civil war was also fought on this background. ठीक है, तो इसको भी पढ़ लीजिएगा आप. Houthi movement, Houthi rebels, what is that? So go and read it. Why Saudi Arab and Iran were actually in at loggerheads with each other. तो क्यों हाँ टसल हो रहा था, इसको पढ़िएगा. So Iran is considered a Shia dominated country. Saudi Arab is considered a Sunni dominated country. So Shia Sunni conflict is also there and all. So these are the things you should be knowing it. इसको पढ़ लीजिएगा आप. Go and read it. ठीक है. Okay. The next is, which is the largest arms importer according to the latest CPRI report? Your options are Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, Qatar, India. Largest arms importer यानी दूसरी कंट्री से आर्म खरीदता है सबसे ज्यादा, कौन है ये? कौन सी कंट्री है? तो टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. CPRI का फुल फॉर्म कोई बता सकता है? CPRI रिपोर्ट, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ CPRI रिपोर्ट? सबको लाइक बटन प्रेस करते जाओ. यस. So the largest arms importer according to the latest CPRI report is India, and that is why it is very, very important. CPRI stands for Stockholm International Peace Research Institute. This is CPRI report. Yes, Priya Chavan, you are right. D is the right answer to this question. Option 4 is the right answer. ठीक है. Now, since India is the largest importer of arms, according to the latest CPRI report, yes, very good. Raj Roniar, Zoya Khan, Amulya Raj, you all are right. Can you tell me which country is the largest arms supplier to India? इंडिया सबसे ज्यादा कहां से खरीदता है ना? कौन सी कंट्री से हम लोग खरीदते हैं सबसे ज्यादा? सो यूएसए, इजराइल, रशिया और जर्मनी. योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. सो फ्रॉम विच कंट्री एक्चुअली वी बाय द मैक्सिमम और द लार्जेस्ट आर्म्स? Yes, Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, CPRI का फुल फॉर्म है. बीसी रॉय, अमूल्य राज, जोया खान, you all were right. So we buy the largest arms from actually Russia. So C is the right answer to this question. So सबसे ज्यादा, yes, number of था, very good. C is the right answer to this question. ये वाली आर्टिकल आई थी पेज नंबर 11 में. yes, रश्मिकांत, बीसू रॉय, प्रिया चौहान, राज रोनियार, प्रथम, अमूल्य राज. yes, you all are right. India remains world's largest importer of arms. CPRI report says it, however, है ना, registers 11% drop. यानी 2013 से 17 से और 2018 से 22 के बीच ड्रॉप हुआ है, लेकिन ओवरऑल रैंकिंग में रैंक 1 इंडिया ही है. ठीक है. एंड रशिया रिमेन्स द लार्जेस्ट सप्लायर फॉलोड बाय फ्रांस. तो सबसे ज्यादा वी बाय इट फ्रॉम रशिया, देन सेकंड इज फ्रॉम फ्रांस. ठीक है. सो ये वाला याद रखना है. सो द मैक्सिमम इंपोर्ट वी डू इट फ्रॉम रशिया. ठीक है. according to the CPRI, Swedish think tank, Stockholm International Peace Research Institute. तो ये है CPRI, है ना, headquartered, formed in 1966. Founders, these are the founders, Tage Erlander and Alva Myrdal. And Stockholm is actually the capital of Sweden. So Sweden's capital is Stockholm, and based on this country, based in this city, there is an organization, Stockholm International Peace Research Institute. इसकी आर्म्स रिपोर्ट आती है, एक्चुअली वही सबसे फेमस होती है. आर्म्स एक्सपोर्ट, आर्म्स इंपोर्ट रिलेटेड थिंग, which country is importing the most, which country is exporting the most. So that is called as arms report and all. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर है, let me show you. Here is India. This is Sweden, right? इसी की कैपिटल है Stockholm. And from here you will find the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, which releases the report regarding the arms export, imports, etc. ठीक है? So I think it's very much crystal clear, है ना? So इसका आंसर C था. And Fatima, Nisha Kumari, you all were right. Tejo Tejaswani, you all were right. So this is all about today's class. Please subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and download the BYJU'S exam prep app. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. One more thing is that today at 6 p.m. on our app. So go to our app, BYJU'S exam prep app, CLAT and law section. Go to our app. And at 6 p.m. I will be having a session on the important general science question. So if you see the previous year MHCT question, they have asked questions from biology as well. Biology से बहुत सारे question पूछा है MHCT में, and that is why I'll be discussing questions from biology. So do join me at 6 p.m. on our app, BYJU'S exam prep app. ठीक है? So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.